Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will learn how to protect cells in Google Sheets software. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. We can see here many data. Now I want to protect this graph and chart data table. Now I am select the data table, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the format menu and go to the data menu and select this protect sheets and range option. Now you can see here the protect sheet and range option. You can protect any sheet, otherwise any range. Now I am select this range and we can see here the range number. Now I click this set permission option and we can see here a notification range editing permission. You can edit this range only you, otherwise you can make customizedly. You can edit any Gmail to edit this. Now I'm click this only you option, then click done. And we can see here the change saved. Now I am close this. Now I go to the file menu and share the sheet with other, and we can see here the get access permission is anyone with the link and make is editor. Then click the copy link option. Now I'm copied the link of this sheet. Then we go to another profile and paste the link and access this, and we can see here the sheet. Now I want to edit this. Select the graph and chart option and write anything. Now I write and here show the pop-up. There was a problem. You are typing to edit a protect cells or object. Please contact the spreadsheet owner to remove protection if you need to edit. Now I'm click OK. I hope you understand this. You don't edit this protect sheet. Otherwise you can edit this title, because the title is not protected sheet under. I hope you understand this video. Now I'm go back this and we can see here the changes we see. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video. Thanks for watching.